So they are overjoyed, happy here in the Tiger Stadium. And they just got finished scoring on a wildcat misdirection play as the quarterback ran in, was forced to his right, and then he doubled back and went in for the score. And the Tigers are up front. The PAT is good, 7-0. Now they're about to kick it off. Let's go to the dice and the chart. Dice is a 10. Kickoff return right there. Take it down to 10. Boom. 10-yard line. That's where they're running at. Boom. 10-yard line right there. He has it. That's the bulldozer. He has probably the most run-back kickoff returns in the Highlight Football League. And he has it now. Here we go. Bulldozer. As he turns it upfield, keeps going, knocks people out of his way. And as he runs out of bounds before being hit by a would-be tackler on the Tigers, number 10, tried to make a tackle, and he was run over by the bulldozer. Let's take it. 1st and 10 at the 25, and the Colts is back in this game. 5 plays left in the first quarter. 7-0. Tigers, you're watching the Highlight Football League.